Did you know that one sweet potato has your daily dose of vitamin A? It's true. This vibrant root vegetable is not only visually appealing, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. This tasty root vegetable is full of surprises. From boosting your immune system to improving your vision, sweet potatoes offer a range of health benefits that are often overlooked. But what happens when you eat one every day? Let's find out. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your daily diet can lead to some remarkable changes in your overall health and well-being. Many people don't realize how good sweet potatoes are for you. They are not just a side dish. They can be the star of your meal, providing essential nutrients that your body needs. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients help in maintaining a healthy digestive system, reducing inflammation, and even aiding in weight management. Plus, they are delicious and easy to cook. Whether you prefer them baked, mashed, or fried, sweet potatoes can be prepared in a variety of ways to suit your taste. Stay tuned to learn about the amazing changes I saw when I ate sweet potatoes every day. From improved energy levels to better skin, the benefits are truly impressive. I love trying new things to improve my health, so I decided to eat a sweet potato every day for a month. I was amazed by the results. First, I noticed my energy levels soar. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which give you long-lasting energy. I felt more alert and focused throughout the day. My digestion also improved. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which helps keep you regular. I felt lighter and less bloated. What makes sweet potatoes so special? Let's look at the science. Sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. Vitamin A is crucial for good vision. It also boosts your immune system. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate your blood pressure. Sweet potatoes also contain fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full. Section 4. Balancing the scales, pros and cons of daily sweet potatoes. Like anything, there are pros and cons to eating sweet potatoes daily. These vibrant tubers are a staple in many diets around the world, and for good reason. On the plus side, they are incredibly nutritious and can improve your health in many ways. Rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance your skin health. However, sweet potatoes are also high in carbohydrates. This means they can provide a quick source of energy, but it also means they can impact your blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or are watching your blood sugar levels, you need to be mindful of your intake. It's important to balance sweet potatoes with other low-carb foods to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Overall, the benefits of eating sweet potatoes daily outweigh the drawbacks for most people. But moderation is key. Enjoy them as part of a balanced diet, and you'll reap the rewards without the risks. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and incorporating a range of vegetables can ensure you get a well-rounded array of nutrients. Section 5. Sweet Potato Power Up. My secret tip for maximum benefits. Sweet potatoes are not just tasty. They are packed with nutrients that can significantly boost your health. Want to get the most out of your sweet potatoes? It's all about how you prepare and pair them. Here's my secret tip. Pair them with a healthy fat. This simple addition can make a world of difference. Fat helps your body absorb the nutrients in sweet potatoes better. Without it, you might be missing out on some of the key benefits. Try adding a dollop of avocado, a sprinkle of nuts, or even some seeds. These healthy fats enhance the nutrient absorption, or a drizzle of olive oil to your next sweet potato meal. Olive oil not only adds flavor, but also boosts the health benefits. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to maximize the benefits of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health. They are versatile and can be included in various dishes. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. Whether it's in a salad, as fries, or mashed sweet potatoes can transform your meals and your health.